Okay, picture this. You wake up tomorrow, open your phone, and the top headline says, Real-life Jurassic Park opens to the public. Actual dinosaurs. Real roars. Real teeth. Would you buy a ticket or immediately move to another continent? Let's imagine scientists actually pulled it off. They've cloned dinosaurs, rebuilt the park, and somehow convinced lawyers that this is fine. The gates open tomorrow morning. Crowds are lining up. Cameras are everywhere. So what happens next? Well, to understand that, we have to figure out how we'd even get to this point in the first place. The first problem, DNA. DNA is like nature's instruction manual, but decays fast. Even the best preserved fossils are basically stone, not storage devices. After about 6 million years, DNA is unreadable goo. Dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago. So unless your local mosquito has a built-in time machine, there's nothing left to copy. But let's say, somehow, scientists found fragments, bits of dinosaur DNA in ancient bones, or amber, or even birds because, fun fact, modern birds are dinosaurs. With advanced genetic tools, they could maybe fill in the missing parts using bird DNA, like patching a 1,000-piece puzzle when you only have 50 pieces. That means the creatures wouldn't be exact dinosaurs. More like feathery remix editions. Imagine a chicken, but 10 feet tall, with attitude problems. Still, that's close enough to call it Jurassic Park. Now you need somewhere to keep your resurrected lizards with attitude. A giant island would be perfect. Remote, controlled, surrounded by water. Let's assume our billionaire backer buys an island in the Pacific. High-tech fences, security drones, automatic feeders. Everything looks good on paper. But here's the thing. Ecosystems are not theme parks. You can't just drop a T-Rex next to a bunch of triceratops and expect them to work it out. You need full-time vets, climate control, and truckloads of food. One adult T-Rex would eat about 40,000 calories a day. That's roughly 10 rotisserie chickens every hour. Electric fences? Sure, but those need constant power. And the moment a storm knocks out the grid, congratulations. You've just built a self-service buffet for carnivores. Okay, but let's say the park actually opens. Touristes arrivent. Everyone's got selfie sticks and dino-shaped popcorn. It's amazing for about 3 days. Then someone realizes the herbivores are getting sick because modern plants aren't the same as Jurassic plants. Then someone else points out that your velociraptors have figured out how to open doors. And your T-Rex? Yeah, it's starting to recognize the feeding trucks and associate them with snack delivery service. Sooner or later, someone forgets to lock a gate. And boom, the movie writes itself. Once even one predator escapes, you've got a problem no security system can handle. A dinosaur doesn't care about visitor safety protocols or brand reputation. It just wants to eat and explore. If one T-Rex reached the mainland, it could cause chaos for weeks before being stopped. Not because it's invincible, a few helicopters could take it down, but because no one's prepared to see a prehistoric monster walking down highway. Meanwhile, the herbivores could destroy crops, spread ancient bacteria, and collapse ecosystems that took millions of years to form. In short, we get a headline reading, "Scientists accidentally end modern civilization again." The real lesson? Nature doesn't like being rebooted. You can't just copy-paste an ecosystem from 65 million years ago into today's world. The air is different. The plants are different. Even the bacteria are different. To dinosaurs, our planet is basically an alien world. So yes, building a real Jurassic Park tomorrow would be the greatest scientific achievement in history. For about a week. Then it will become a very expensive disaster movie. This time without a cut button. But there's a silver lining. We already live in a world filled with dinosaurs, the flying kind. Crows, eagles, chickens, they're all direct descendants of the real thing. Maybe instead of reviving extinct ones, we should just appreciate the survivors still walking and pooping among us. So what do you think? If a real Jurassic Park opened tomorrow, would you go? Or would you stay home, lock the doors, and watch from a very safe distance? Drop your answer in the comments, and hit like if you'd totally bring night vision goggles to the park. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more what-ifs that hopefully won't end in mass extinction.